So you want to move money with SoFi? Let's talk limits. Ever stare blankly at a transfer screen wondering, wait, how much can I actually move? We've all been there. Transfer limits can feel like hidden codes in the financial world, frustrating and unclear. But fear not, money movers and shakers. Today, we're cracking the code on SoFi's transfer limits so you can manage your money with confidence. Now, SoFi isn't your average bank. They offer a suite of financial tools, from investing to student loan refinancing, all wrapped up in a sleek app. But what about the nitty-gritty of moving cash in and out? That's where things get interesting. So, buckle up and get ready to learn about the two main types of transfers you'll encounter with SoFi: ACH transfers and peer-to-peer, P2P, transfers. ACH, also known as Automated Clearinghouse, is the workhorse of the transfer world. It's the system that lets you move money electronically between your SoFi account and other banks. Think of it like a digital conveyor belt for your cash. P2P transfers, on the other hand, are the quicker, more casual way to send money to friends and family. It's like handing someone a digital 20 for that pizza they just ordered. Now, let's get down to the real question: how much can you move with each option? ACH transfers, the big mover. ACH transfers are where SoFi shines. They boast a standard daily limit of a whopping $50,000. That's some serious muscle for moving your money around. But hold on a sec, there's a twist. This limit isn't set in stone. SoFi, like most financial institutions, plays it safe by adjusting limits based on a few factors. Here are the main culprits. Account history: if you're a SoFi newbie, your limits might be a bit lower initially. But as you build a track record of responsible transfers, those limits should climb. Account activity: SoFi monitors your overall account activity to assess risk. If you're constantly moving large sums, your limit might be higher than someone with more sporadic transfers. Available funds: this one's a no-brainer. You can't transfer more than you have in your account. So, what if $50,000 isn't enough? Don't fret, high rollers. If you need to move a mountain of cash, you can always contact SoFi support. They can review your situation and potentially raise your limit for a specific transfer. Just remember, be prepared to explain why you need to move such a large sum. Peer-to-peer transfers, keeping it casual. P2P transfers are perfect for those quick and easy transactions between friends. Here, SoFi keeps things on the lighter side with a daily limit of $1,000 and a monthly limit of $3,000. Think of it like this: splitting the bill for dinner, sending a birthday gift, or reimbursing a friend for concert tickets, all perfectly within P2P limits. But what if you need to send more to a friend? Again, SoFi support is your lifeline. You can reach out and explain your situation, but be aware that raising P2P limits is less common than for ACH transfers. Security first, friends. SoFi prioritizes security, and these transfer limits play a part in that. They help prevent fraud and keep your hard-earned cash safe. So, now you know. With the knowledge of SoFi's transfer limits under your belt, you can move your money with confidence. Remember, these limits are there to protect you, and SoFi support is always a call or message away if you have any questions or need a helping hand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.